This is Dansoy. Welcome back to my kitchen. Here's another chef-inspired meal. This is honey mustard salmon with tomato dill relish. So today we're gonna have farm-raised salmon from Norway. That's really good. We got our cutting board. We got olive oil. We got a pan with our splash guard. Like I told you many times, this thing helps with from the oil being splashed all over. We got asparagus, we got scallion. We're going to need the white part and the green part. We got grape tomatoes, garlic, we got fresh dill, and we have honey mustard dressing. You can make your own or buy it, but this brand is really good. I use it all the time. So this is like basically like a 15-minute meal. 15-20 minutes, because you have to you're gonna have to take all these items and dice them and prepare them, and then it takes about maybe 5 minutes on each side to cook the salmon, and then the asparagus we're gonna grill in the pan. So probably it is about a 20-minute meal, but be back. I'm gonna actually I'm gonna take all these ingredients and I'm gonna dice them up. I'm not gonna bore you having you watch this because I know you're a professional chef, and we're taking this journey together, and I'll be back. Alright, hello folks. Sorry, blooper there again. That's the effects of live recording, but I want to keep it real. I'm real. We're both in this together. So we're back. We got rid of most of the ingredients. We just have the honey mustard dressing left. I chopped everything. So we have the tomatoes, we have the garlic, the green part of the scallion, we have the white part of the scallion, we got fresh dill, and we have the asparagus. I cut off the end. So next we're gonna make the tomato dill relish right here. So so we're almost there. It's not like really a long recipe. Like I said, it's only like 20 minutes. So you're basically like half getting everything ready and half cooking it. So but like I said, the garlic, tomatoes, scallion, asparagus, and fresh dill. I wish you could really smell this dill right now, but so fresh. But we're gonna make the relish now. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. So to make the relish, we have the tomatoes in there, and now we're gonna add the garlic. Alright, so we have the tomatoes and the garlic. Next we're going to add the white part of the scallion and then the dill. Alright, so we have the white part of the scallion left. Add it. So with our ingredients, we're down to only a few. So we're going to add the dill in next. And then after that, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll mix this relish, and then we'll put it aside. Alright, so the dill is in there. And we're going to add the olive oil, and then we're going to mix that. We have the green part of the scallion for later to top it with the salmon. And we have the asparagus that we're going to cook next, 5 to 7 minutes. So we're just going to finish off this tomato relish. Alright, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you can see that goes in there. It really mixes well with the tomatoes. So now we're just going to basically mix this. Alright, so we're back. And we're just going to mix all this together. You can see the olive oil and the tomatoes and the garlic and the fresh dill is in there. So we're just going to basically put this aside. And we're going to use that later with our salmon. We're going to top it or put it on the side. So next we're going to just grill the asparagus in the pan. If you have an outdoor grill or you have one of those electric indoor grills, you can use that. But I'm going to use that. But yeah, this is basically the tomato relish and olive oil with dill. Be back, folks. Alright, YouTubers, I'm back. So we have the pan with the butter in there. We're going to throw that asparagus in there. We're going to top it off with some sea salt and black pepper. And we're going to put the splash guard there, and then we're going to cook the asparagus for 5 to 7 minutes and then put it aside. Then after that, we'll take care of the salmon. And then we're almost there. Alright, so we have the asparagus in there with the butter. We're going to throw some pepper in there. And we have this on medium heat. We're going to cook this 5 to 7 minutes. But like I said, if you have a outdoor grill or one of those indoor electric grills, it's probably better to cook this asparagus and the salmon so you can give a different taste to it. But today I'm just going to use the pan. You can hear that sizzle. So 5 to 7 minutes. Be back, folks. Alright, so we're almost there with the asparagus. You can see it cooking down really good. Getting grilled. Doesn't take long, 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so we're done with the asparagus. You can see the nice color to it. It really got dark, crisp. So we're going to just put that to the plate, and then we're going to do the salmon next. And we're basically done. Alright, so we got our asparagus done. And next we're going to just do the salmon. The only other thing is let this pan cool down for a couple minutes while you're doing the other stuff. And we're going to wash that or wipe it clean, because we really don't want that butter and stuff from the asparagus to mix with the salmon. We want it we need a clean pan so we can cook that in olive oil. So the next step is the salmon from Norway. Alright, we're back, YouTube and Facebook. So we got the salmon there. You're going to want to put some pepper on the flesh. And then take some sea salt. So that'll give it just a couple, just give it like a minute or two, and that'll seep deep inside the fish, and then we're gonna cook that, and then we're almost done. We just have to put it all together and plate it, so we're set. This is the salmon with honey mustard and tomato relish. Be back. Alright, we are back. We have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to put the stove on medium. And then we're going to put that salmon in there. We still got the asparagus. We got just the honey mustard that we'll top it with. And we just got the green part of the scallion for later on. But we're all done. Everything is gone. Alright, so we're back with our salmon. We got that there. We're going to take the salmon, put it flesh side down. See? I tell you, the salmon from Norway is one of the best. So we're going to cook that. Put your splash guard on there, so it prevents a lot of the oil from going all over the place. So we're going to cook the salmon on each side for about 4 to 6 minutes. So right now, we got that on the flesh side, and we're going to cook that, and then I will be back and we'll flip it. Then after that, we'll be done. Alright, YouTubers, we're still back. We're cooking that. You can see the olive oil sizzling. And we're going to sear that salmon. So like I said, 4 to 6 minutes on each side. Be back on the flip. Alright, so we're back, YouTubers and Facebook. Alright, we flipped that, and we're going to do it for another 4 minutes. You can see the nice color of the salmon. We seared that really good with the salt and pepper. Be back! Alright, so we're back, YouTubers. The salmon is definitely cooked now, so we're just going to put everything together. Look at the nice color. Alright, so we have the grilled asparagus and the salmon. Now we're just going to coat it with honey mustard, and we're just going to add the relish, and then we're done. Alright, YouTube. So we're just basically adding the honey mustard there. And then we'll top it off with the relish on the side. And then we're done. So we're back, YouTube and Facebook. We're all set. That's the honey mustard salmon with the grilled asparagus, tomato dill relish, topped with green scallions. So I hope you enjoyed. New people, subscribe. Also hit the bell for 2 to 5 updates a week. And thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for another chef-inspired meal. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy.